Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Motosoul. Hope you guys are doing well. So, this is my fully restored 1989 Yamaha RX100. This is the same bike that was stolen on 11 July 2021, and we got it after 9 months, and we finally restored it. If you haven't seen the recent video about the restoration and how we got the motorcycle back, you can check out the last video. I'll link that in the description. And this is the motorcycle. There are a few mods that we've done and some things we have kept stock. This is the CD Dawn headlight. So this is slightly bigger than the stock one, and you have to make a slight modification here for the speedometer cable to pass. You just have to cut a hole through it. But this has been done because it has H4 bulb, and this has a lot more better throw, and it is a lot more brighter than the stock headlight. And these are the Ralco tires. So this is Ralco gripper, 275/18 on the front and 318 on the rear. And then we've got the buffed levers, and we also have the 5-speed, and the later 135 models had this pass type switch. So this is a lot better, has a bigger horn button, and even the indicator button, it works like a modern bike. And you have choke here if you have a 135, but since this is a 100, we have the choke right here. So this is the choke on the RX100. If you have an RX135 and an RXZ or an RXG, you can use the choke cable here. And this is the pass switch. So this is where you find the pass, just like a modern bike. So you actually get this same handlebar switch on any RX135 that comes after 2000. So even the RX135 after 2000 till 2005 has this same handlebar switch. These are the chrome rod mirrors, and this is the RD350 handlebar, and this is a custom theme going on the tank and the side panels. The blue color is going to come back soon. I'm getting that painted soon. So this was actually a spare tank that I had, so I plan to do something of a bright color, and we plan to go with the Moto Legacy theme. So this has the Motosoul logo here, the Yamaha RX Club of Hyderabad. If you're not aware of this club, you can join the club in Hyderabad if you have an RX. And we normally go on monthly rides every third Sunday. So if you're in Hyderabad, join the club. And apart from that, everything else on this end is stock. And then this is the spark plug cap adapter of Hero. So it comes on Hero Extreme and CBC Extreme and those bikes. This is the stock RX100 kick, and I'm using the transparent 2T oil pipe kit. So everything is available on Moto Legacy. So that's my online store, and you can get this. So you can the purpose of this is that the black ones, those are, it's very easily cracking nowadays. So एक महीने में टूट जाता हो, मतलब ऐसा इंस्टॉल करते कि within 1 month it's cracking. So that's why I installed the transparent 2T oil pipes. So this won't crack, and you can also see the oil going through inside. So it's visible, so the oil is clearly visible. This is a lot more safer than the black ones because you can see the oil inside. And I'm also using the Allen bolt kit on this side, on the clutch cover and the magnet cover and on the manifold. So this way वो जो slip हो जाते ना screws, वो मतलब वो problem ख़त्म हो जाता. You just have to use one Allen key, and if you have that Allen key, you can open the clutch cover and the magnet cover, and this won't slip. So the normal problem with the the Phillips screw or the flathead screw is that it will slip once the mechanic tightens it. So that's the issue with that. So I recommend getting the Allen bolt. This is the hardened one. You also get the steel one, the stainless steel one. So that is a lot more better, but this is cheaper than the stainless steel version. and I'm using the G3 bore. The bore previously was running on standard, but now it's on 0.25 size. I'm using this toolbox that is from the 135. RX100 never came with this toolbox, but toolbox is it has all my tools inside, even a spark plug opener, and a couple of other things. And I'm running the Platina shock absorbers. These are a lot more plush and a lot more comfortable. It improves the ride quality as well. And this is a silencer. And these tires are good for off-road and on-road riding, but the life on these tires is a lot less compared to the road ones, because this is a 50-50 pattern, 50% on-road, 50% off-road. And I'm running the stock RX100 chain kit, and I'm also running the oil pump as of now. So I've been running the oil pump on RX100 from I guess 2014. So I never had any problems, so I'm running the same 2T oil pump. And we also went for the buff finished on the covers. It's just on the side. This is the oil pump cover, so we've got this buffed and this cover, and even the bore fins are buffed, and then the levers. Everything else is chromed. So it's been about 600 kilometers since the rebuild, and the bike's running fine. We got the number plates painted in black, and then we applied radium here. So this is radium computer cut, and then we installed it on the bike. And I also installed the half chain cover. I made a separate video about the half chain cover and the full chain cover. I'll link that in the description below, so you guys can check out. And there are some advantages to this chain cover and some disadvantages as well, so check out that video. And I personally prefer the half chain cover over the full because of safety reasons. So this is the brake pedal rubber, and apart from that, everything else is stock on the bike. The engine is also stock, no mods made whatsoever. But the bike looks beautiful from every angle, especially with the little things that we did, the buffing and everything. And एक बार वो blue tank वापस आ गई तो I think the bike would look just like it was before. So once I get the blue tank side cover painted, then I can swap two colors, this red one and the blue one. And I'm also running the smaller crash guard. This is from the RX135, not the RX100. The RX100 has a bigger crash guard. So these are the fork boots. These will it will prevent the dirt accumulating on the front fork inner tubes. So that way the oil seals stay a little bit more longer. They have a lot more life. And that's about it for this video. I just wanted to make a quick walk around and some just wanted to share what we've done on the bike. Give this video a like if you liked it, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you around.